Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, then hi, I am Dhara Prajapati and I post a lot about beauty, skincare, any random videos. So if you are into that genre, then please do consider subscribing this channel and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button for getting notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm finally up with the review of much raved product, which is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. As the name suggests, a sleeping mask is a face pack which packs a tons of hydration and moisture into your skin while you sleep. These type of masks ideally used at a night as the last step in your skincare routine. They seals moisture into your skin and help to alleviate dullness from your skin. So when you wake up in the next morning, you will notice that your skin feels hydrated, moist, super bouncy and super soft. Now this sleeping mask has been getting lots of attention and skincare enthusiasts claim that it made their skin smooth and hydrated. So I was also excited to see what kind of magic it could perform on my skin when it becomes extremely dry in winter, and trust me guys, it works really well. Since it was the winter and I had a dry skin, this is also the reason, as I love no sweaty face, I experiment layering my skin with the different skincare products. Otherwise I stick to a simple skincare routine, as there is always hot and humid in the place where I live and too much products clog my pores. After using this mask, I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly it gave me results. The direction says that you should use it twice or thrice in a week. Naturally, I assumed that it would take few weeks to see any differences on my skin, but by second usage of this mask only, I have noticed that my skin started becoming soft, smooth, supple and hydrated. Now let's check out its claims and ingredients. Laneige Water Sleeping Mask has been formulated with hydroionized mineral water in a high concentration to deliver intense moisture to your even the most parched and stressed skin. This will be a great product if you have a stressful schedule and the lack of sleep is starting to show on your skin. Also, the formula is infused with a primrose and apricot extract that helps to purify and brightens fatigued, dull skin. You will see that the next morning your skin looks glowy and feels soft and plumpy. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask comes in two sizes, which are 25 ml and 70 ml. 25 ml will cost you around 700 rupees and 70 ml will be around 850 rupees. To try out for the first time, you can purchase this 25 ml tub. It will last you for at least 1.5 months. As very less product quantity is required. As you can see, the product is housed in a gradient blue jar with a twist lid. There is 25 ml of product in this glass jar. The jar feels heavy and sturdy, and even the cap, which is made from plastic, screws tight. So you don't have to worry about product leakage if you are traveling with it. The jar comes with a white color protecting cover which protects accidental spillage. They didn't provide spatula for 15 ml product, and you have to dig your finger directly into the jar to get the product out. The texture is similar to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This has light gel texture which turns watery upon contact. It melts on the skin and gives moist feel, which takes about 2 to 5 minutes to dry down. It leaves the skin satin matte and super soft to touch. No extra oiliness or greasiness. The full size product come in a classy frosty glass jar, where the mini size come in a travel friendly plastic tub. Both the packaging has an appealing look. The full size product do come with a spatula. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask has very fresh scent. The scent is noticeable for about 5 minutes or less. It vanishes soon after without any trace. So the pros for this product are available in various sizes, amazing lightweight texture, hydrates the skin without being oily or greasy, cooling sensation feels refreshing on the skin. And the cons are not cost effective, too many fillers like alcohol and fragrance, no spatula for small jar. Like I said before, this sleeping mask has a gel texture. I know it's strange because it's not watery or runny like the name, watermarks would suggest. Although to be honest, I really enjoy the light gel texture. The consistency is just right, neither too thick nor too light. Before I end this review, I would like to mention that the Laneige water sleeping mask is for those who are looking for moisturization and hydration in skincare product. This is not going to heal your acne or pimple. However, this is going to provide your skin good hydration and youthful glow. So guys, this wraps today's video. I hope it was helpful and informative. If you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.